Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money as an accountant, you have more than two or three or even four or five chances to make money when you at home and when you at work. First, you have to believe that you can make money from internet. There is many ways to make money from internet. As an accountant, when you consist with your already job, you will be hit your successful way because you're not just like doing normal you doing just like normal thing you do in your real life, so you can make money because you already know what you do. If you are an accountant, you may work as a freelancer, but wait, freelancers means that you will lead sale after sale after sale. You will work as a trader, you will work as a company or a factor for a service, but you have more than one funnel to promote your product. You have many uh, websites that can you promote. I will put these websites in link in the description, but wait, let's see these examples. We now in Fiverr, there is Fiverr, Upwork and many websites. I will let these websites in the description to just sign up for all of these websites and take one job one job. For first, you will take one job and be good at it, this job very much, and you will hit all success in the life, because if you commit with something you can make successful. Let's see the first one who gave you. I will provide all types of accounting service for UK clients. This man is very intelligent. He just like specific country, UK clients, but he is not from UK. I know this from the name. He's not from UK, but he provide all type of accounting service for UK, so you can make. I will provide all type of accounting service for USA, for any country you want. And he hit like uh 500 uh, order. This order even like $40. Oh my god, this is huge number for one job. Maybe he have more than one job. Let's see, he maybe have more than one job, because when you start as a freelancer you start one job, and after one job you know that you can make another one, so you offer this another one. So let's see standard with $60, premium with $80. So he gave you a lot of a choice to make money from a lot of ways. So my portfolio, he has a portfolio, so I recommended to have a website. I will let you the link of this count of website with $2 a month, I think is the minimum thing you can make a website. So when you give this any client a website with your CV as accountant, but CV with a website with your name. If your name is Bob, you just like select bob.com, because this will give you just like a credit for something, give you just like majesty of your work. So let's see, he doing something else. I think he's the only job he just give because he's committed for this job. So when you commit for something, you can hit this number of orders, and every orders was 80, 60, 70. You can make all the money that you want from this specific job. So you have to commit for something related to your job, to your education, so you can do this. When we go back, we just see that the number 2 one is hit 1k orders, and every orders is 45 USA from. It's like the minimum. It's insane with what you can do if you accountant. It's QuickBooks. You can buy QuickBooks and just training. I maybe put the link of QuickBooks to buy QuickBooks and do a lot of work on QuickBooks so you can make money from this. This is insane opportunity to make money as accountant. If you don't want to buy any program, you can do this with Excel, with like, see the third one, I will set up cleanup and booking in QuickBooks is very familiar in accounting. So if you want to make money with accounting, you have to just put some money in a website as an example to do a better website, some money in program to work and learn from this program. So I will put, I put some this link for QuickBooks to learn more about QuickBooks. If you want, leave me in the comment. Website is very good when you have a website with your name. LinkedIn profile is same, is very very important because you are accountant. There is no accountant in the world right now with no LinkedIn profile. So when you do all of this, you can make money. You can make money as accountant when you do accounting. When you do accounting, you have many ways. The third one, I will be your Amazon bookkeeper, accountant, e-commerce. So it's not just like about accounting. We can see like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, accounting. Every company, every project must have accounting in, so you can depend on this, but I just prefer to commit with something. If you just buy QuickBooks, and when you buy QuickBooks you just learn everything about QuickBooks, will leave you have the experience in your work as a freelancer, as an employee, as everything will give you a credit for in all your life. If you ask me, I just will tell you, just learn Oracle, QuickBooks, any program that you think that will leave you with experience, level higher of experience, that give you this kind of jobs and will leave you with experience in your real life jobs. So it's win that will be happened. If you do this, you will make money, you will get some experience with something, will get you in a real job, in just a job real in your life, some experience, and make your payroll more higher if you already work in something. Thank you for watching. This is how to make money as an accountant online. If you want, if you love this video, you just click the like button. Please leave the comment, what do you want to me to explain. Thank you for watching. I really wish this help you guys, and thank you.